What's going on, guys? This is Mickey Martin coming at you with a guitar tutorial. Today we have Eric Clapton's Tears in Heaven, and it's a finger-picking song, so you won't need a pick, but it is pretty difficult. We're going to do this song in sections because it's a little bit long, but it is pretty repetitive. So once you get the first couple of sections down, you'll have most of the song done. Let me show you this first section we're going to work on. Now if you noticed, I was rolling my thumb over and pushing the low E string frets with my thumb, and this is a technique you are going to have to use when playing this song. You don't necessarily need big hands, you just need the proper technique. I've seen people with small hands do it just fine. So we're going to start with an open low E and hammer on to the second fret of the low E, and then go to the open A. From there, we're going to go up to the second fret of the D string, and then that lick there is going to be played on the B string, second fret, third fret, second fret, open, and then to the second fret of the G string. You're going to have to learn that hammer-on pull-off bit pretty quick there, but it's not difficult. Just practice that over and over. And then slide your hand up to 4th fret G, 5th fret B, and roll your thumb over and hit that 4th fret on the low E. And then we're going to an F sharp minor, so second fret bar, and then put your ring finger on the second or 4th fret of A and pinky on the 4th fret of D, so F sharp minor. But we're just going to do our normal Tears in Heaven strumming pattern, which is going to be our top two strings, or the G string and B string with our low E. So G and B and with the low E, alternating. And then add that 7th, so keep everything the same, but take your pinky off of that F sharp minor and put your pinky on the B string on the 5th fret. So going 2nd fret G string, 3rd fret B string, so basically a D. But roll that thumb over and hit that low E on the 2nd fret. Hit that D again, but drop your low E. Stretch your pointer down to the 1st fret instead of the 2nd fret, but leave your middle finger there. Keep hitting that low E. And then to the A, which is 2nd fret G, 2nd fret B with an open A instead of the B. So let me go over that again here. So that's the first section, and you go back to the And then this is the second section here, which started the same. You heard, I'll play it again here. But you only, on that F sharp minor when you initially play it, you only play one bass note before it goes to a change, and I'll show you that change. So we just played the first part, here comes the second part. on this one, I'm not going to teach you that beginning part, but I will show you again that just one note on that initial F sharp minor. So just that's where the transition happens there, and you probably know it from the song. But where you're going to slide to, it's going to be from the 5th fret with the B and the high E string. But you're not even going to play those notes, so that's just where you're going to slide from, unless you don't slide from lower because you were playing down here. You want to try and slide from here, the 5th fret up to the 7th fret, and then back to the 5th fret. And then you're going to do the same thing, but it's going to be with the 4th and 5th fret on the G and B. And then you're going down to the A, which is the 2nd fret on the G and B. And then after you play that A, that 2nd fret G and B, lay your pinky down just to slide. So you're going to slide from that 2nd, 3rd on the G and B to the 4th and 5th on the G and B and back down. So all right. All right, we're back in tune. So after you're going to hit that low E, you're going to slide up to the same form as an A minor, except we're playing as if it were barred on the 4th. So 6 on both the D and the G, and then 5 on the B. Slide it down 2 frets, so 4 on the D and the G, and 3 on the B. And then play an A. 2nd fret on the B, G, and D. I figure if you don't know what an A is, you probably aren't playing this song, but who knows? So let me play that second section again. So I just noticed after I play that A, I just go down it from the 5th string down to the 2nd string. And stretch my pinky out and hit that high E on the 5th fret. Alright, so those are 2 variations that you can play during the verse, intro for the outro. And you get the general chord structure there. Now, let me show you what the bridge is like here. We're going to that F sharp minor. I'll tell you once again what it is. 2nd fret E string, 4th fret A, 4th fret D, and then 2nd fret the rest of the way across. Barred on the 2nd, 4th fret, A and D. And my strumming pattern's going to change here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick the strings from the A string down, and then I'm going to hit the low E with my thumb. So pretty standard. And you're going to slide down to the A flat. Wait, what is this? No, B flat minor 7th. So this is going to be a bar on the 1st fret with the D string being pressed on the 3rd and the B on the 1st fret, or sorry, the 2nd fret. Let me get a close up on this. All right, so F sharp, B flat minor 7, going to be an A7. So you're just pressing the D on the 2nd fret and the B on the 2nd fret. But you're going to switch your bass finger to the A string. And then lay down your ring finger. Keep all the same. Lay down your ring finger on the G string. And bring your thumb over on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to lift your middle finger off of there. Lay it back down. So it's going to be. And then come up to a, what is that, a B flat or a B minor 7. So bar on the 2nd fret. And then middle finger on the 1st or 3rd fret of the B string, and ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And you're playing that bass note is your low E. So let me play this section from the beginning here. Hit that open E. Oh, that sounded nice. And that's 2nd fret G, 3rd fret B. So let me play it again. And that's going to bring us back to Alright, so the last section we have to learn here is the bridge. So instead of going with the open E, we're going to go with the open A and go right at one more fret up to the C. Just a standard C chord. Walk that bass down, so with your middle finger. Put it on the 2nd fret and lift your ring finger off, so we just have our A string 2nd fret, B string 1st fret. So I guess you're not going to play that B at all. Just those 3 notes on that 2nd chord there. And that's down to a A minor there. To an E, and on that E you walk it up, so you're hitting that B and G string at the same time on your way up, and then hit that low E as your bass and walk up to the, so that's 2nd fret G and B. And then 4th fret G, 3rd fret B. So let me go over it again. C, down 1 fret from C, A minor, D, G, D, E. All right, guys, that should conclude it there. If you have any questions or have any videos that you'd like to see, please let me know. But my name's Mickey. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, if you enjoyed it or whatever you have, whatnot. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Bye.